Guys, so today we're out shooting in a beautiful sunflower maze. Today's vibe is going to be a springy vibe look. And like always, we have Orlando photographer Matt.
What's up? I'm shooting with the Canon T3i and a 50mm 1.8 today.
And we have Tampa photographer Chris.
Today I'm going to shoot with the Nikon D850 with the 24-70 lens, and I might also use my 50 or my 85.
And my name is Gio. I'm shooting with Canon 5D Mark III and an 85mm 1.2. And today we're going to introduce our beautiful models. We have model Gabby and beautiful model Emily. So the weather is pretty hot out. There's a lot of direct sunlight, so we're going to make the best of it. Check it out.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Finally.
Okay, see.
So excited! Yeah! Alright guys, so as we were driving around after we left the sunflower field, we found a field of wildflowers. It's very vibrant, very yellow, green. So we hope to take some amazing shots in this field today. All right,
Yes, let's go.
Alright guys, so this concludes our shoot for today. Thank you so much to our beautiful models, Gabby and Emily, for taking their time and coming out today. The shoot was amazing. We had a lot of fun.
And I'm going to attach Gabby and Emily's social media handles below so you guys can give them a big follow because they deserve it. They're amazing. And also I'll include everyone else's information.
So make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. 1, 2, 3. Team!
Yeah.
What's up, boy?
Yo, what if we take like...
It's so hot! You look gorgeous, doesn't matter.
Right?
He looks so gorgeous.
No, Matt, don't do it. Oh my god.
Yo, Chris, you broke your legs, boy.
Oh my god, I'm like,
Boy, you broke your legs.
Not use it.
Okay, come over here.
howdy y'all.
Grab onto this.
Hey, word.
All right, ready? Hello. Chris, take off your hat for a second.
Look, it's a wild Chris. It's a wild Chris.
Hey, bitch. Woo! Praise God.